Hey everyone, Manav here. A few days ago, I was having this discussion on Clubhouse about if marketing is art or science. So I just wanted to make a video about it because I thought it's a great topic for discussion. So I think marketing is both science and art, and everyone should agree with me on that because it's just common sense. It's never one or the other. The truth lies somewhere in the middle, right? So it is both, but I would like to take it a step further and talk about what successful marketing is, because marketing can be anything. You can just start learning from anywhere, fail a bunch of times and take forever to learn. But successful marketing, we are trying to generate results for our clients or for our own businesses. So what is successful marketing? I think successful marketing is science first and then it is art. So what is science or art? I think science is just this charted terrain where people have walked before. They have studied things, they have researched, they found out what works no matter what, and they put those principles, those frameworks, those ideas, those formulas in place, and that is science. Art is uncharted terrain. Art is like, I have this idea and I will go out, try to apply it, and then I will see if it creates results or not. That is art. It's more uncharted, but there are way more opportunities on the art side than in the science side, because again, science is limited and art is unlimited. There are only limited people who have discovered these proven formulas, but the for ideas and things that are not yet discovered are endless. So successful marketing starts first from science, because you want to start your business and you want to start generating results fast, because you don't want to keep spending money from your pocket, right? So I think it's science first, because if you want to do successful marketing, you have to learn the proven formulas and study them and then put them into practice. But after a while, you will run out of those proven formulas. You'll figure out that not every proven formula works for your business as well as you would like it to be. And after a while, you will be like, let's go into the art section and now let's start experimenting, because your bases are still built on science, but you are building on science and putting things above science and making art basically after all. So I think that's how it goes. It's science first, art later. If you want to take that analogy of a tree, so tree has what, roots, and it has stem, branches, leaves, flowers. So I think roots are what is science, and art is what is a stem, a flower, a leaves. No matter where you start, I think you will end up both ways, because a tree cannot just stand on a stem. It needs roots as well. So you can't stay just art and survive. And if your roots go down enough, grow enough in terms of science, the tree will start growing anyway. The flowers will come, the leaves will come, the branches will grow. So every scientist at the end of the day will become an artist. But I think if you start with science and then go towards art and keep that thing active in the back of your mind, I think you are going to get great results, because great companies are not built on science. Science is something that can get you started and get you running and start getting you enough results, so you are not spending and investing money right out of your pocket, and your business is cash flow positive. That much can science do for you. But you cannot build Amazon or Apple or any great companies like Microsoft just based on art. If you look at Apple, if you look at Amazon, if you look at all the other companies, they apply science, but they are much more artistic than they are scientific. They experiment all the time. They find what their users like and don't like, and then they make their strategies based on those things. So they perform way more art than they perform science, but their base is very tightly built on science, so they don't fall off all of a sudden. So I think it has already been a long video, and I think I will end it here. Do let me know in the comments what you think about the topic. Thank you. Have a good day.